wish that I could just quit. But then the other times, there's nobody better than this. Even though you never listen, and you're always right. And I guess I would've never fit your type, except for that first night with 2 kids under that moonlight. We ate McDonald's at midnight, became the best of friends. I remember our first time in Barcelona. That morning I was so hungover, I never thought that I was led to this. So give me a kiss. Sometimes you say that I'm just too much, but then the other times, feels like I give you the world and I won't give up. Oh, I never listen, and I take too long. And I guess I would've never fit your song, except for that first night with 2 kids under that moonlight. We ate McDonald's at midnight, became the best of friends. I remember our first time in Barcelona. That morning I was so hungover, I never thought that I was led to this. So give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss, give me a kiss. Except for that first night with 2 kids under that moonlight. We ate McDonald's at midnight, became the best of friends. I remember our